Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in as an employee in the Oasis website. For this, search for Oasis employee login. And here in the search result, you can see employee portal. Click on this link and you are redirected to the login page of Oasis. You can also see welcome to Oasis employee service website. You can sign up if you have not registered yet. And you have to fill up the username and password for login. Let me fill username as render user. You have to fill your own username. And after filling it, you have to fill the password. Make sure your password is correct. And if you need any help in login, you can simply click on need help logging in. And after it, simply click on this sign in button. And if all the credentials are correct, you'll be signed as an employee in Oasis. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.